Hey guys, welcome back to Manicaro Custom Guitars. And today it's time to seal this top. So the stain is dried. I wiped it down with some fine steel wool and then just a nice clean paper towel damped with some alcohol and wipe everything so I don't have any debris. As I said in the previous episode, this is going to have a nice layer of clear epoxy. And to stabilize the burl, to solidify it, and it will be the end finish for this top. The body will be sprayed in a black matte finish. It's an open pore style, but the top will be having a nice gloss. And instead of spraying lacquer, I will use that same layer of epoxy, and I'm going to sand it and buff it to a nice shine. Now the idea is to pour a layer and then machine it flat on my CNC and then start sanding down the marks, the machining marks, to a nice buff surface. I did a test piece just before some time ago, and it's quite easy to not calculate how much you need. In fact, I'm not going to calculate how much I need resin for this pour. I'm just going to mix kind of maybe a full cup of a full mixing cup and pour everything. I did mark some lines at the side of this barrier. In fact, the whole top is surrounded by a wooden kind of frame to contain the resin. And as I said, I did mark some measurements so I can see at what level the resin it is. And yeah, I did seal the barrier, the wood frame, with some silicone on the outward side of it, so I'll make sure that there will be no possible leaks. I hope so. So, throw the intro, and we can start mixing the resin and start pouring and hope for the best. Okay, so this is the resin that I'm going to use. It's from Entropy Resins, CCR and CCS. This is the hardener, this is the resin, and I found this locally, which is a good thing. And this is perfect for this kind of purse casting coats. I try to link it down in the description below if you're interested. And this is, as you can see, it's a 2:1 mixing ratio. I have my mixing cup, and I'm going to start and mix maybe 150 ml and see from there if I need more or it would be enough. I will prepare some plasticine just in case there is a little leak. I found this quite good for sealing any leaks. So yeah, let's make some resin and do this thing.
A few moments later.
Oh, it wasn't enough.
A few moments later.
تيرنتي أكتر. You betrayed me. Not yet 2.5. Okay, so that's it. I checked with some ruler and I'm at roughly between 2.5 and 3 millimeter, which is perfect. The final thickness of the resin, I'm planning to leave it at 1 mil. So yeah, I'm just waiting for some bubbles to pop, because there were a lot of cavities. So yeah, it went really well. And now it's time. I just need to wait.